Hello children, in this video we will study about synthetic fiber and plastic, chapter 3 NCERT class 8. So since the chapter is very vast, so we have divided the chapter into two parts. In this video we will discuss about synthetic fiber, and in the next upcoming video we will discuss about plastic. Okay, so let's see today which topic we will cover in synthetic fiber. The first topic is synthetic fiber and its structure. Types of synthetic fiber, there are 4 types, we know it: rayon, nylon, polyester and acrylic. Then we will discuss about disadvantage of synthetic fiber, and at last we will see what are the characteristics of synthetic fiber. So children, we know that clothes are made from fabrics, and fabrics are made from fibers. Fibers means resin, and fibers we know that it is obtained from natural or artificial sources. Now the fibers which are obtained from natural sources are called natural fiber. So the fibers which are obtained from plant or animal source, these are known as natural source, like jute, cotton, silk, wool, etc. All these fibers are called natural fibers. Whereas some fibers are also there which are made by us, made by the human being. These fibers are like nylon, rayon, polyester, acrylic. Okay, and these man-made fibers are called artificial fiber. Now we are going to study about artificial fiber, and we will also know that artificial fiber is also known as synthetic fiber. So children, artificial fiber or synthetic fiber. So let's see what is artificial or synthetic fiber. What is the structure of artificial or synthetic fiber? By an example, I have drawn a long chain. Chain means mala. Okay, and we know that a long chain is made up of many small units, and that unit is beads. माला जो बनती है वो किससे बनती है? मोती से बनती है ना. ये छोटा सा एक मोती जिसको हम लोग इंग्लिश में बीड्स बोलते हैं. ओके, इन द सेम वे दिस सिंथेटिक फाइबर और आर्टिफिशियल फाइबर इज आल्सो मेड अप ऑफ अ लॉन्ग पॉलीमर चेन, अ लॉन्ग पॉलीमर चेन. ओके, and this is a long, suppose this is a long polymer chain. अगर मान लिया जाए कि ये एक long polymer chain है, then एक जो ये beads है ना, एक beads, it is known as the smallest unit of this polymer chain, है ना. इस polymer chain का सबसे smallest unit क्या है? ये एक beads है, और ये यही एक beads को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? मोनोमर. मोनोमर बोलते हैं. मोनो means one and mer means पर यूनिट, मीन्स रिपीटेड यूनिट्स. तो ऐसा बहुत सारा यूनिट्स रिपीट होके, मिल के, कंबाइन होके क्या बनता है? पॉलीमर चेन बनता है. सो लेट्स सी व्हाट इज रिटन हियर. अ सिंथेटिक फाइबर इज आल्सो अ चेन ऑफ स्मॉल यूनिट्स joined together. See, these all small units joined together to form a long polymer chain. Each small unit is actually a chemical substance called monomer. So each small unit is known as a monomer. Many such units combine together to form a large single unit called polymer. So this whole is a polymer. Next, type of synthetic fiber. So children, there are 4 types of synthetic fiber or artificial fiber. The first one is rayon, second one is nylon, third one is polyester, and fourth one is acrylic. Now we are going to learn in detail about each and every types. So let's see about rayon. It is also called artificial silk. Why? Because rayon is just similar to natural silk. Students, you know that this the silk which we get from silkworm is very costly. No, everybody cannot afford it. It's very expensive, and that's why rayon is made in the laboratory and it is sold as artificial silk. It is cheaper. Okay. Now it is obtained after chemical treatment of wood pulp. How we prepare rayon? After chemical treatment of wood pulp. Wood pulp means a part of the plant. प्लांट का जो सॉफ्ट पार्ट होता है ना उसको वुड पल्प बोलते हैं. इट इज अ सेमी सिंथेटिक फाइबर. रेयॉन इज अ सेमी सिंथेटिक फाइबर. व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड सेमी सिंथेटिक फाइबर? इट इज नॉट अ फुल्ली synthetic fiber. It is a semi-synthetic fiber because see, it is obtained from plant source. It is obtained from plant source, that is wood pulp. No, and since chemical is also used to make rayon, and that's why it is semi-synthetic fiber. It is not totally natural fiber or totally this artificial fiber, and that's why it is put in a category of semi-synthetic fiber. It can be dyed in variety of colors. Means rayon can be dyed in any colors you want. So it is available in market in variety of color. And see, rayon mixes with cotton. If you mix rayon and cotton, then we can get a very good quality of bed sheets. Rayon as well as mixes with wool, and we can make a very nice beautiful carpets. The second type of synthetic fiber is nylon. It is first fully synthetic fiber. And it is prepared from coal, water and air. Now, why this is called first fully synthetic fiber? Because as I told you that rayon was semi-synthetic fiber. So that's why it is first fully synthetic fiber. Why? Because it is prepared from chemical. None of the plant or animal source material is used to make nylon. नायलन बनाने के लिए कोई भी प्लांट्स या एनिमल सोर्स को यूज नहीं किया गया है, क्योंकि नायलन जो है ये फुल्ली तरह से किससे बना है? केमिकल से बना है. सो इट इज प्रिपेयर्ड फ्रॉम कोल, वाटर एंड एयर. सो ये केमिकल है ना, प्लांट और एनिमल सोर्स से ये तो नहीं है ये. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड फर्स्ट फुली सिंथेटिक फाइबर. नाउ दिस नायलन इज मेड विदाउट यूजिंग एनी नेचुरल रॉ मटेरियल लाइक प्लांट एंड एनिमल. एज ए सेड यू, it is a strong, elastic and light. This nylon is a very strong, it is a strong fiber. It is one of the strongest fiber. It is elastic, लचीला होता है, and lightweight, बहुत हल्का होता है. And that's why this nylon is very popular for making clothes like socks, ropes, tent, toothbrushes, car seat belt, sleeping bags and many other things. Okay, नायलन जो होता है ना, it is stronger than the steel wire. इतना स्ट्रॉन्गर होता है कि ये स्टील वायर से भी ज्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग होता है. Okay, and that's why this nylon is used in parachute and rock climbing. The third synthetic fiber is polyester. Polyester का जो सबसे important characteristics है that it do not wrinkle. मतलब wrinkle का मतलब क्या होता है कि जैसे कोई भी कपड़े को मैं ऐसे पकड़ूंगा ना, ऐसे इसको मोड़ूंगा तो क्या हो जाएगा? लाइनिंग बन जाता है ना. लेकिन wrinkle पॉलिस्टर जो होता है ये ऐसा लाइनिंग नहीं बनता है, इट डू नॉट रिंकल, इट रिमेन क्रिस्प, वो एकदम कड़क, जो कपड़े का जो कड़कपन है ना वो बना रहता है, एंड इट इज इजी टू वॉश। इट इज यूज टू मेक ड्रेस मटेरियल, and this the dress material which is made by polyester is very popular in fashion industry, है ना। and the one of the popular form of polyester is pet means वो domestic animal नहीं, एक type of polyester है जिसको PET बोलते हैं, ओके। एंड इट्स शॉर्ट नेम इज टेरिलिन, इसका जो शॉर्ट नेम है वो है टेरिलिन, okay. And this PET is used to make bottles, wires, films, okay, like these things. Now we'll move to the last synthetic fiber, and that is acrylic. The last synthetic fiber is acrylic. It is also known as synthetic wool. Children, as you know that the wool which we get from natural source are very expensive, okay. Everybody cannot afford it, okay. That's why this acrylic is a substitute for natural wool, and this acrylic is cheaper than wool, सस्ता होता है ये, and available in variety of colors, अलग अलग कलर्स में पाए जाते हैं। इट इज़ मोर ड्यूरेबल, ज़्यादा टिकाऊ भी है, ज़्यादा दिन चलता भी है, एंड अफोर्डेबल, क्योंकि ये सस्ता है तो क्या है, अफोर्डेबल है ना, सभी लोग इसको पहन सकते हैं, सभी लोग खरीद सकते हैं। एंड इट इज़ यूज टू मेक ब्लैंकेट्स, जो कोरियन ब्लैंकेट्स, थाईलैंड ब्लैंकेट्स बाजार में मिलते हैं ना, दैट इज मेड फ्रॉम एक्रिलिक। एंड द स्वेटर्स, जो वेराइटी कलरफुल स्वेटर्स जो मार्केट्स में पाए जाते हैं, दैट इज ऑल्सो मेड फ्रॉम एक्रेलिक। So children, see this term polycot. Polycot is the mixture of polyester plus cotton, and this polycot is made from polyester and cotton, and this polycot is used to make bedsheet, canvas, okay, and other dress materials, as well as polywool. Polywool is what? Polyester is when mixed with wool, then you will get polywool. This polywool is used to make sari, curtain, dress material, etc. And the last one is terrycot, terylene and cotton. So when terylene is mixed with cotton, terylene is, as I told you, it is a type of polyester, PET, na? That same thing, terylene. It is a type of polyester. When it is mixed with cotton, you will get terrycot. And this terrycot shirt is very popular. Next topic is disadvantage of synthetic fiber. Now see, synthetic fiber, the most important disadvantage is that it melts on heating. When you heat it, it starts melting, and it can catches fire very easily. And most disastrous thing related to सिंथेटिक फाइबर, जो सबसे खराब चीज़ है सिंथेटिक फाइबर से जुड़ा हुआ, दैट इट मेल्ट्स एंड स्टिक टू द बॉडी। जैसे ही आग लगती है या हीट से वो मेल्ट हो जाते हैं और वो बॉडी के साथ स्टिक हो जाती है, मतलब बॉडी के साथ चिपक जाते हैं, जिसके कारण जो बर्निंग होते हैं ना वो और ज़्यादा सीवियर हो जाते हैं। एंड इट इज़ दैट्स वाई इट इज़ कॉल्ड एज मोस्ट डिजास्ट्रस type of burning. And the last, we are moving to the last topic, that is the characteristics of synthetic fiber. You can also call it as advantages of synthetic fiber. So synthetic fiber, we know that it dry up very easily. उसको धोने में भी easy to wash है, उसको आसानी से उसको धो सकते हैं, साथ ही साथ it dry up easily, वो सूख भी जाता है बहुत जल्दी। It is more durable, टिकाऊ, बहुत दिन तक चलता है। लेस एक्सपेंसिव, आसानी से कम दाम में मिल जाते हैं। रीडली अवेलेबल मीन्स एवरीवेयर इट इज अवेलेबल। इजी टू मेंटेन, खर्च नहीं है इसको मेंटेन करने के लिए। एंड अवेलेबल इन वेराइटी ऑफ कलर्स। So I hope you have understood the synthetic fiber. In the next video we will discuss about plastic. So please subscribe my channel Elite Classes, and if you like the video, then please like. Thank you.